The PNP Crime Laboratory announces that it might take them 1 to 2 months to complete the identification of the Valenzuela fire victims. Joan Nano tells us why.
The PNP Crime Laboratory has started the DNA testing today. They had begun collecting specimens from the Valenzuela fire victims' relatives. Crime Laboratory Deputy Director for Operations Police Senior Superintendent Emmanuel Aranes said 3 of the 72 victims were already identified and only 69 of them will undergo DNA testing. 28 of the 69 were male, 36 were female, and 5 of them are still undetermined.
72 po yung total, yung 3 ay na-identify physically kasi kita pa po siya externally. Yung pong 69 out of 72 ay processing na po yung DNA for DNA profiling.
Aranes explained each victim needs 3 relatives for a reliable result. As of this day, 89 relatives have given their specimens which are already in the process. PNP Crime Lab said it will take 1 to 2 months to identify the victims based on the test they are doing. This is because the victims will undergo to the anti-mortem information, post-mortem information, and forensic information. The stages of forensic DNA profiling are specimen screening and sampling collection of the specimen, DNA extraction or isolation of tissue sample from other DNA samples, DNA amplification, selection of the portion of the unique DNA, DNA electrophoresis, analysis stage or visualization where DNA profiles are seen like unique serial numbers except in identical twins. Data review and database encoding. All DNA profiles will be encoded in the system and then match it to the sample of the relatives.
Meron po kaming bagong equipment na naiiba po siya kaysa dun sa dati kasi nung dati po mahirap pong makakuha ng DNA profile sa mga lumang tissue. So ngayon po, based na rin sa mga experiences namin before, kagaya po nung Cebu, na insidente sa Cebu, marami po kaming na-identify na mga biktima doon sa Cebu kahit decomposed na po yung mga bangkay.
The PNP Crime Lab assures that they can finish the test even if it costs as much as 5.5 million pesos or 20,000 each. The PNP Crime Lab appeals to the relatives of the victims to be patient and to cooperate because they can't hurry the process just to get the result of the DNA testing. Joan Nano reporting for Y News.